You guys missed me singing. Hello, 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 and welcome. I was testing out the microphone and making sure that it wasn't going to start going way, way high and giving you feedback. How is your day going? Today has been very weird and very strange for me, but I'm surviving. It feels like it's taking forever and going by very fast all at the same time. Don't ask me how that's possible, but we're about to get to talking about content strategy and your strategy for everything. So I have some notes over here on my whiteboard. I have a whiteboard like this one over here. So if you see me kind of nodding this way, it's because I'm looking at my notes. I'll try not to talk that way, though, because you won't be able to hear me very well. How is your day going? How is your business going? Gosh, it's almost September. How is that possible that we are coming up on the last month in the third quarter? I feel like the third quarter just started. Like, what the heck? But with that in mind, it's time to start your planning for the fourth quarter. And for sure, you need to be planning for September. So that's what I'm working on today. And that's what you should be working on also. Today we are going to talk about strategy. We are going to have a quick down and dirty chat about strategy. Let's get to it. Now, if you have not read the blog post on content strategy, I want you to pause this. I want you to go down into the comment section and click on that, because before you even talk about strategy, you need to read that post and think through the questions that I posed to you in that blog post. And then and only then can we discuss what we're about to discuss. Now, the other thing that I'm going to recommend is that you go and watch my video on funnels, and I will link it somewhere, and then if you don't see this, it's down there in the comment section below as well. So the brief version, if you are interested, is that I hate funnels. And the reason that I hate funnels is that it assumes that every single buyer is on the same path, and that is crap. That's the brief version of that video. We are not all on the same path, and unless you have done some market research with the people who have purchased from you, it takes a little while. You need to understand what their buying patterns are, and then you need to reach people where they're at, okay, within that buying pattern. So you should have a couple of different offers that basically is tiered. Not so that people will buy this and then they'll buy this and then they'll buy this, but because you're reaching people where they are and where they're ready to be. Make sense? All right, so what does this look like in the grand scheme of things because you're not doing a typical funnel? Well, that answer is a little bit complicated, and right now I'm only going to give you a small portion of that, of the whole pie, because I'm going to be teaching the whole pie in my content strategy made easy course. Now, I have not, that name is not concrete, so it might change, but I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can check out the sales page and really see if this is a good fit for you. Personally, it's an amazing course. Basically, I'm teaching you how to do for yourself what I do for clients all the time. So if hiring me is outside of your price range, you can still get that content. The course is going to be $97. I am doing a workshop this afternoon, well, I'm recording the workshop either today or tomorrow, and it will go out in the next couple days regarding how to organize your long form content in a way that will make it easier to implement the strategies that I'm teaching within the course. Okay, so assuming that not everybody is on a linear path to buying, and assuming that you would have different tiered offers, your freebies are going to be geared toward those freebies. So for instance, if you are a social media strategist and you could potentially have a freebie that is a 15-minute quick analysis, 10-minute, 5-minute even, because usually you can go through somebody's Instagram pretty quickly. But it's a quick analysis, not of the back end, but of the front end of someone's Instagram. Now, what does that do? It establishes some rapport. It allows you to connect with them and give them some really good advice on the aesthetic of their Instagram. You can maybe look through the posts and see how many likes they're getting, how many likes it's showing to you, that sort of thing. And then after you do that, you offer a more in-depth analysis and a quick plan for, let's say, the next month. So if you were doing this in September, you would have offer them a quick plan and a meeting where you put together an entire plan. How many times can I say plan in a really short span of time? You put together a plan for the following month, okay? And you charge, let's say, $150 for that. Or another idea and another part of this, I'm a social media strategist, and my signature plan is X, Y, or Z. Another arm of this bubble system would be a Facebook ads checklist. And then that leads to another offer. And then that leads to a signature offer. You always want to present the signature offer, but understand that very few people are going to be able to take that because it is a signature offer. The idea here is simply to meet people where they are and give them what they need. And if you continue to serve them and continue to give them good advice and information, eventually when they are ready to purchase something, you are top of mind, or someone that they know is looking for a Facebook ads strategist or a social media strategist, and they go, oh God, you need to talk to Susie. She gave me this killer checklist and she really knows what she's talking about. This is how you grow your business. All right, guys. I hope this helped. Sign up for that workshop. I would love to see you there. I will talk to you all later. See ya.